if you're a small business where customers fill out forms, I'd highly recommend Jotform. We used some other subscriptions, but Jotform is the #1 form creator that we've experienced here. I'm going to show you one of the forms that we created that we use on a daily basis before every repair. So legally we know that we're covered, and it helps us have the contact information of customers so we don't lose contact. This is going to be basically it. We have the name and device, the phone number, the password if this is optional, if they'd like us to test the device after the repair, an email if they'd like to get a copy of the waiver, the repair, down payment due. This is in case we're ordering a part off of our manufacturer. Total due. This is after the repair, how much they pay, where they heard about us. This is very useful. I like Jotform because you can view all the submissions in a chart, and so we analyze this data. We see where so I mean, all this is customizable. So all I did was multiple choice. I dragged and dropped it, put in the options, and then we can view that data afterwards. And then there's the waiver, basically stating that this person allows somebody else to work on their device. And then they sign there and they submit. And this is all on the iPad. So Jotform has an iOS app that you get on your iPad. We have an iPad here in the shop on a swivel. I can show you. So we just swivel it around to the customer, and we have them fill out the waiver. So the same waiver that you're seeing. They go through it, they hit submit, and now we have that data, which is very important for a business. You're legally covered. You have contact with your customer, especially if you're a repair business. I highly recommend Jotform. And I'm not going to be showing too much how to use it, but they walk you through everything. And what I really like about them is they give you the option right here, support, contact us. They have super good communication, super great customer support. I've had so many questions and they've answered all of them. Super good company, highly support. All right, peace.